Hello, Homo sapiens. Today, we're cooking up some delicious knowledge about the Maillard reaction. It's pronounced Maillard, not Maillard or Maillard. The Maillard reaction is not actually just a reaction. It is multiple reactions happening all at once. And this is mainly present in food. It is the basics of the Maillard reaction. So, in food, there's usually glucose and amino acids for protein. Glucose is the basic building block of sugar. Sugar is just glucose but larger. The building block of glucose is what we want to focus on. So this would react with the building block of proteins, which is amino acids, to form certain molecules. Those molecules would react with each other to form other molecules. And those molecules would react with other molecules to form other molecules. And those molecules, yeah, you get the picture. So, it is not just a reaction, but multiple reactions happening all at once. This is one of the main reasons why food that tastes so good is usually golden brown. And it's also the reason why people keep saying, make sure your French fries or toast or potatoes are golden brown. These reactions make food delicious too, because some of the compounds that are produced in these reactions make the food taste quite unique.
Yummy.
And this is also different between the air-fried foods and the deep-fried foods, because there are two main things that affect the Maillard reaction speed. The Maillard reaction can happen anywhere. Like just leaving a piece of meat out in the open air, the Maillard reaction is happening. Though for it to become golden brown, like mummified bodies, it would probably take years or months because it's really slow. This is the same process used to make dark vinegar and black garlic. So, aside from that, temperature is one of the key things in the Maillard reaction. The higher the temperature, the more golden brown and the more delicious your food, which means the more Maillard reactions are happening. This is why food from, let's say, a deep fryer tastes so much different from air-fried food, because when you are deep frying food, the oil that you use would spread that temperature all around the food. So therefore, the Maillard reaction is happening everywhere all at once. And it's very intense. But when you air fry food without the oil, certain parts of the food are being Maillarded and certain parts are not. The second most important part of the Maillard reaction, the second variable, is pH. The higher the pH, the more Maillard reaction is going to happen. This is why sourdough looks less golden brown than dough with a higher pH. Let's say you would want to make delicious golden brown donuts. You would want to bake them at a high temperature, and you would also want to try to draw out the moisture, because if your food is wet, then the moisture would absorb the heat without the Maillard reaction being able to use it, and your food would be overcooked and bland. You could also try dipping it in some food grade lye or sprinkling some baking soda on it to increase the pH. And that is a deep fried lesson about the Maillard reaction.